Hi everyone. So today I have an amazing platform for you guys which is completely free. This is an all-in-one platform which is using Mistral. So if you don't know about Mistral, this is a company which has created lots of different LLM like amazing models. One of them being the Mistral Nemo, which was with collaboration with Nvidia, as well as they were the ones who first brought out this whole mixture of experts technique, and now they have launched their chat called Mistral Chat, and it is quite amazing, and in some ways I have found it better than the Perplexity, and I have a pro version of it, and I'll show why. So firstly, this is a all-in-one platform. There is canvas, web search, as well as image generation, and the image generation is using FLUX. So this is something pretty amazing, and if you know that Twitter's Grok uses FLUX to generate images, and this is quite good. Currently it is completely free. The canvas is something which is pretty unique. Now if you generate a piece of code, so you'll get a code editor, as well as you can see the output of that code. If you are creating a React code or anything, you can see what the app will be, and I'll show everything and I'll compare it. So first I'll start with the basic web search. So for web search, I have a question. Let's see. So this is a TV show which currently has the story related to a ghost in kimono, cicada, cellar, and bottle tree. Let's see whether it can find out. So this is from a show that I am recently watching. It is from an amazing series. So let's see if it can find all of these things. Yeah, so it found. You can see it's from, and they are already explaining everything. There is a ghost is central to the supernatural events and everything, and this is pretty amazing because it is mentioning season 3, which is currently going on. So you can understand that it is like searching the web pretty in an amazing way, and you can also see the citations. So it has taken from Screen Rant, and you can see which parts have they taken from where, and it is pretty similar to Perplexity. This is what Perplexity does. So yeah, and if I move forward here, you can create another new chat. Now let's go to image generation. This is something Perplexity can do, but the problem with Perplexity is that you cannot directly generate an image. You have to search about something, and then there pops up an option where you can create image, something related to that. So that is something weird, but I have a prompt for this as well, and because it is using FLUX, it won't be that bad. This is a woman with wavy dark brown hair wearing an off-shoulder oversized brown knit sweater. She gazes softly towards the camera, slightly tilting her head, with her right hand gently brushing her hair. The lighting is warm, creating a cozy atmosphere. And you can see this is the image. Obviously this is completely free and it is not bad. You can see the quality is not bad. So you are getting this as well. So I am pretty happy with this kind of image, and if you are not happy, you can again regenerate. Here you can see the regeneration. There are did we do better? So this is something pretty amazing. Now let's try another thing. So one thing which I have found problematic with Perplexity, and that is why I'm comparing this with it, and I find Mistral Chat better than Perplexity, is the image context. If I upload an image and I want to know something about it, the problem is the censorship with Perplexity, and I'll tell you why. For example, I have this image, right? And I want to create a prompt out of this image so that I can recreate this image with FLUX or any image generation website. So if I go and I try to upload this one with Perplexity, so you'll see an error. You can see the file upload failed moderation. So it is heavily censored of what you can upload, and that sometimes becomes a problem for me, especially when I want to generate prompts or stuff like that. With Mistral, if I want to upload this, you can see I'll upload it, and I'll give a prompt, right? So I'll give this. Describe this image in detail. So a prompt can be generated to recreate this image using AI. Describe every aspect and minute details. I'll give details and I'll upload this. So you can see it is generated. It sometimes takes a little bit of time, but you can see that it has generated everything, right? So a woman with long wavy brown hair, she has a tattoo on her left rib cage and is wearing a red lipstick. So you can see that it is kind of true. Now with that being said, there is the complete description of outfit, pose, and also here you can see that it has generated the prompt. So this one is actually very helpful for me, especially for the people who want to get the prompt, because when we are using any other kind of models that I use in ComfyUI, you would see that either those models are small and they are not that perfect and detailed, because obviously they are running locally on our machines, but this is completely free and you can get the prompt. So it is pretty amazing in this. Now the last thing which I wanted to show you is the canvas, and this is great, and I'll show you why. So I have a very detailed thing that I want. This is basically, I want a code with tailwind, and tailwind is basically used to style the app, if you don't know, and I think tailwind generally goes very well with React. So what I want is basically I want a front end for image generation website. So there will be a place to upload an image, a place where there would be an input for the prompt, 2 sliders. One will be from 1 to 50 for steps, and the other will be denoising 0 to 1 at 0.01 intervals. Now one thing you have to remember is that in when we are using HTML, I think these are called as steps and not intervals, but I just want to put it in a very normal human language to see how it understands it. Here we have a button saying generate and a display to show the generated image, and also I have added that you can show any normal random image from any free API that is present. So just to show here, and I'll click on generate and you'll see it'll start generating everything. And not only that, just wait for it, it will also show the code editor. As you can see here, this is the complete editor and it has started to create this. Also the speed is not that slow, it is the speed is quite well. So as you can see that this is complete, right? But the best part is here you can see the preview, and the preview actually gave you everything that you wanted. Now obviously you can put it here and you can start making some changes, or you can change it directly from here as well. So here you can see there are steps, right? And there is also the denoising. There is a generate button, and the best part is if we can put the prompt, right? Best part is if I click on generate, you can see there is a random image from the free API that we wanted to show as a placeholder. Now I want to make some changes. What I want to say is that also display the step and the denoise number. So you can see it is going through this particular code and then making the changes. It's pretty amazing to see how it is working. Now when it completes the generation, you can again see the preview, and in the preview you can see that the steps are changing, right? This and the denoising. Now there was some kind of error, and what you can do is that you can put this denoise So I have put the error that I was facing. It is again making the changes. And let's see now. So the steps is working. The denoising is also working. See? The denoising is working, and if we click on generate, we again get this random image. So it has completed this, everything. And one thing I would like to try is that, where is the button? So here I can see it's the button, and I just want to find the color. And in Indigo, if I give it, okay, so if you select anything, you can also ask it to change directly from there. But what I'll do is that I'll change the Indigo to green, and let's see what happens. So you can see the color has already changed. So I did not change the hovered color, I just changed the normal color, and it has changed. So this is also the code editor, as well as you can directly see the changes and you can make the changes. And if you want to change a particular portion, like let's say I choose this, you can ask to change something from this as well. So I found it very impressive, and do let me know whether you find this particular website useful or not. Till the time it is free. And yeah, if you have any kind of questions or doubt, let me know in the comments below. Thank you.